Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad term. It refers to machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Imagine a computer that can understand your questions, learn from its mistakes, and even make predictions about the future. That's the power of AI. AI systems are built using complex algorithms and massive amounts of data. These algorithms allow machines to analyze information, identify patterns, and make decisions based on the data they have been trained on. The more data an AI system is exposed to, the better it becomes at its task. One of the key goals of AI is to create machines that can learn and adapt on their own, without the need for constant human intervention. This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of relying on predefined rules, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions based on the data they are given. Imagine you're teaching a computer to recognize pictures of cats. Instead of telling the computer exactly what a cat looks like, you can show it thousands of cat pictures. The machine learning algorithm will analyze these images, identify common features, and learn to distinguish cats from other animals. This ability to learn from data is what makes machine learning so powerful. It allows AI systems to adapt to new situations, improve their performance over time, and even solve problems that were previously considered too complex for machines.